This exercise is called an ulnar nerve floss. This is an exercise for the ulnar nerve. When the ulnar nerve has an issue, you're going to get numbness and tingling that follows this path down to these two fingers. For this exercise, you can take the arm all the way down into this position and bend the head over. This is going to completely shorten the nerve. And then to lengthen it, you can take your arm up to the side, this way, flip the palm forward, and then try to put the palm up onto your head. That's going to completely tension the ulnar nerve. And then you can take it all the way down to the side, bend your head away, and flow through that a few times.